Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to this video. In the previous videos we've seen how to install Hadoop and how to run HDFS commands. The next logical step is we've installed Hadoop, we've dumped data into HDFS, and now it's time to basically run our Mapreduce program. So in this particular video we are going to run the Hello World program for Mapreduce called as word count program. So here our input will be a small file which will have set of words, and we are supposed to count the number of times each and every word occurs. So let's get started. Now before we run our program, we need to basically create some input data. So let's first create an input folder and dump some data. So here we say Hadoop fs mkdir word count input. So this is our input directory. The next step will be to dump some data. So we say Hadoop fs put word count.txt in word count input. So we have some data which is already ingested in HDFS. Now it's time to go to Eclipse and bundle our code. So let's start Eclipse. Now when you open your Eclipse, you would find a project called word count which is pre-bundled, and the project is out here. How does this code looks like? We will be seeing that in the next videos. Here what we are supposed to do is simply bundle this project and run it. So we take word count project, export it as a jar file and run that jar file. So our jar file is exported. For the simplicity's sake, we will access it from here. We see word count.jar. So let's run it now. We say Hadoop jar word count.jar. Now word count is the main Java class in this particular project. Our input is word count input and our output is word count output. So once we run this program, we see the program is running, and in some time we will have our output. So the intention of this hands-on exercise was to basically take you through how to bundle a Java code and run a jar file. In the next videos, we will see the code walkthrough and solutions to the next assignments of Mapreduce. When you look at your output, you see word count output folder. And in word count output folder, you see a part file. And that's our output. So let's quickly reiterate this on the next second VM also. We first close Eclipse. So first on terminal, let's create some input data. Hadoop fs mkdir word count input. Hadoop fs put word count .txt in word count input. Let's bundle the jar file. right click, say export, next, bundle the jar and just run it here. Hadoop jar word count.jar, word count input, word count output, and we run the program. So far in this video what we've seen is how to basically start Eclipse, bundle your code and create a jar file out of it and submit the code. In the next video we will have a detailed walkthrough of the word count program so that this could help you do your assignments. There will be a separate section talking about the solutions of Mapreduce, which you can refer later. So that is how you run your Mapreduce program. Thanks for watching this video.